Tomato plants grow fast and need strong support. You can use iron rod to give them support. You can take an iron rod and push it deep into the soil near the plant and tie them loosely. This keeps the tomato upright and improves air circulations. Cut old cotton cloths into strips and use them to tie gently to support plants like tomatoes. They are soft, reusable, and won't damage your plants. This is all a great eco-friendly way, and you do not have to spend money on ropes. Pumpkin vines spread everywhere. To support it, create a simple structure using sticks or rods or plastic pipes like these. I have made a horizontal structure like this. You can make a vertical structure in the similar way. This helps save space and keep the fruits off the ground. For small plants like these, use a plastic or metal fork and put it upside down into the soil. This will help the plant by giving it support. You can use old bricks to raise the pots from the ground, because if you keep the pots on the ground, this can damage the ground. Or if you are gardening on terrace, then it can damage the terrace. Don't throw away food containers. You can use food containers like this to grow small plants. To grow plants in food containers, you need to make drainage holes and add soils, and then you can grow small plants like these. As you can see, I have made the drainage holes. It's an eco-friendly and perfect way to grow plants. Tell me in the comments which hack will you try first. Take care of your plants and take care of yourself.